Imagine waking up each morning, excited to start your day, feeling a deep connection to your work. Picture yourself walking into an office that feels more like a second home. The truth is, some companies just have that magic. You know the ones. They seem to effortlessly attract the best talent, their employees are genuinely happy, and they keep on growing. But what's their secret? Today, we're diving deep into what makes these companies so irresistibly attractive. And most importantly, how you can be a part of one, or even create one. First, let's talk about the pain. You might be stuck in a job that drains you, surrounded by negative vibes, an unsupportive boss, or colleagues who just don't care. It's a struggle millions face every day. The lack of motivation drags you down further and further, and you find yourself questioning if it's all worth it. But here's the thing. You deserve better. You deserve a workplace that enriches your life, not just one that drains it. So, what's this elusive secret? At the heart of it all, it's about people. Companies that win understand people. They create a culture where employees feel valued, heard, and seen. Imagine a place where your ideas are not just welcome, but celebrated. It's where collaboration reigns over competition, and where diversity is not just a buzzword, but a reality. These companies foster an environment where everyone feels part of a bigger mission. Crucially, it's about purpose. People crave meaning in what they do. An attractive company has a clear mission that resonates with its employees. This isn't just about having a fancy vision statement. It's about living that purpose, making decisions that align with core values. When you believe in what you're doing, work stops being a chore and becomes part of who you are. Every day you contribute to something bigger than yourself. And trust me, that feeling, that sense of being truly part of something, it's irreplaceable. Now, let's talk about growth. Not just company growth, but personal growth. Companies that are magnetic provide paths for learning and development. They don't just stick people in boxes based on their job titles. They encourage exploration and reward curiosity. If you have the drive to learn something new, they provide the tools and opportunities. It's about nurturing talent, helping you to become the best version of yourself. You grow, they grow. It's a beautiful symbiosis. Genuine respect plays a huge role too. These companies respect work-life balance. They understand that employees have lives outside of work, and they support those lives. They offer flexibility, understanding that it leads to happier, more productive employees. The result? People are less stressed, more creative, and more loyal. They don't just stay because of the paycheck. They stay because they genuinely like where they are. Communication is another big piece of the puzzle. In truly attractive companies, information flows freely. Transparency builds trust, and when there's trust, there's respect. Employees aren't left in the dark. They're part of the conversation. You know where the company stands, where it's headed, and how you fit into that picture. When there's honesty, there's clarity, making the entire workplace a more cohesive unit. Recognition ties this all together. Celebrating achievements, no matter how small, makes a huge difference. When you're appreciated, you're inspired to do more. Simple acknowledgements can radically boost morale. Successful companies shine a spotlight on all accomplishments, creating a culture of appreciation and motivation. And while all this sounds dreamy, many people might wonder where to even begin. If you're a job seeker, focus on finding companies that reflect these values. During your interviews, ask the right questions about their culture, growth opportunities, and values. If you're already in a role, strive to introduce some of these elements where you are. Small changes can ripple outwards, influencing those around you. For the HR professionals and leaders, be the change maker. Push for a culture of openness, respect, and development. Lead by example and watch as your team transforms. Encourage feedback, listen actively, and act. The best workplaces aren't built in a day. They're nurtured over time through continuous effort and understanding. Ultimately, it boils down to this. Whether you're searching for the right company or trying to enhance your current one, the magic happens where empathy, growth, and purpose collide. Seek them, nurture them, and watch how they change everything. You don't just want to work in an average company. You want to be part of a phenomenon, a place that understands the true value of work and life combined. A place where you can thrive.